Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to another video on Mr. TECHFOX. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to complete the stolen goods mission in Roblox Wanted. If this video helps you out, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This mission has two simple steps. First, introducing yourself as a police officer to Offie, and second, seizing some stolen goods. Let's break it down step by step. First, you need to head over to the pawn shop. Make sure you are already equipped as a police officer. Once you arrive at the pawn shop, interrogate Offie and he will give you a location. Next, go to that location to seize the stolen items. When you check behind the storage area, you will find the stolen goods right inside. Just go ahead and seize them. After seizing everything, head straight to the police station and talk to the NPC named Bart. Turn in the mission to him and it will be complete. That is all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.